Welcome. If you've ever missed an important moment on Discord because you didn't hear when your voice connection dropped, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through how to enable notification sounds for when you get disconnected from voice channels on Discord web, right from your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. You'll see your familiar Discord dashboard with all your servers and channels on the left. Now, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll spot your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a little gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Once you're inside user settings, look for the section labeled Notifications in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be taken to all the notification options available on Discord. Scroll down a bit until you see the Sounds section. Here, Discord lists all the different events that can trigger a sound, from new messages to joining or leaving voice channels. What we're interested in is the option called Voice Disconnected. To enable the sound, simply find Voice Disconnected in the list, and make sure the toggle next to it is switched on. When it's enabled, Discord will play a notification sound every time you're disconnected from a voice channel. This is especially helpful if you're multitasking or have Discord running in the background, so you never miss when you get disconnected. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made sure you'll always be alerted if your voice connection drops. This small change can make a big difference, especially during important meetings, gaming sessions, or just hanging out with friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Discord. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.